let me continue. Now, sinabi nyo kanina na wala namang requirement, na may alam sa confidential activities, walang training. Pero hindi po ba, ma'am, na requirement sa SDO yung pagkakaroon ng common sense?
Anong ibig sabihin, Your Honor?
Oy, napakaklaro ng tanong ko. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Sinabi nyo, wala namang requirement na may alam sa confidential activities, walang special training sa confidential activities. Pero hindi po ba, bilang SDO, at least naman lang ma'am, required na yung SDO na pinipili ng isang vice president, may common sense.
May utak po ako, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, kanina, sinabi din ng Defense Council na yung certification that you identified apat, may format naman. May format naman yung joint circular, hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
And then, sinabi ng Defense, hindi kayo allow to modify yung content ng format na iyan. Hindi po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
I remember you saying that.
What's the objection, Counsel?
Your Honor, the question is misleading because the question is pertaining to the certification, the template of the certification, Your Honor.
Exactly. If I may respond through the presiding officer.
I
exactly.
remember that too. You mentioned it pertaining to the certification that it cannot be modified in any way. And you referred to Annex B, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness may answer.
Nawala ko daw.
So sinabi kanina na since may format yung certification, hindi po pwedeng i-modify ng Office of the Vice President yung format na yan. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
Opo. Pero ma'am, hindi po ba required, at least naman lang ma'am, common sense naman lang, na kung sa tingin mo, hindi tama yung nakasulat sa certification, hindi mo pipirmahan. Common sense po ba yan, di ba?
Your Honor,
Oh,
we
wait.
object to the question because the prosecution is already badgering the
No,
witness,
I'm
Your
not
Honor.
badgering.
Overruled,
It's
Counsel.
a demeaning
Overruled,
question,
Counsel.
Your Honor.
That's not
Overruled,
badgering.
Counsel. Witness may answer.
Mm.
Ma'am Gina, dahil hindi nyo pwedeng baguhin, hindi naman nangangahulugan na pag hindi totoo yung nakalagay doon, hindi nyo pipirman. Pinirmahan nyo yan dahil sa paniniwala nyo, totoo yung nakalagay doon. Sa certification po
Yes, totoo, Your Honor. Kay meron naman po ako mga documents nga gikan galing kay Colonel Lachica na security officer after po na-implement niya ang confidential operations, Your Honor. Kaya nagpirma ko, Your Honor, mo to akong isa sa gibasihan o basis, Your Honor.
Your Honor, since it has been raised again, I will ask this question again. Pero paano mo nalaman na na-implement yung ng tama through the document? Sinabi mo na eh. Wala kang personal na alam eh.
As in
Paano
answered,
yun?
Your Honor.
Your Honor, it was raised again. That's why I have to repeat that.
Witness may answer.
Continuing objection on these lines of questioning,
The
Your Honor.
continuing objection of counsel with respect to this line of question is duly noted. Witness may answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Pakisagot po.
Ay. Gipirmahan ko, I sign the certification, Your Honor, na tama po yun. Kasi meron akong gibasihan, meron akong basis na galing po sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica, na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor, after po matapos ang pag-implement ng confidential activities, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me proceed, Your Honor.
Proceed, counsel.
Now, iba pa nga yung pagpipirma eh, ma'am. Common sense will tell us we will not raise our hand under oath before a notary public kung hindi totoo yung nakasulat sa certification na pinirmahan mo. Agree po ba?
Totoo po yun,
Totoo
Your
po.
Honor.
Okay, now, hindi po ba, ma'am, na yung certification nyo, example, January 10, 2024, hindi nga lang permado ng isang Gina F. Acosta, ito rin ay notarized ng isang notary public. Sinasabi dito, subscribed and sworn to before me this January 16. So sinasabi nyo po ba, pinirmahan nyo on one hand? On the other hand, humarap kayo sa isang notary public, pinirmahan yun yung certification na yan, kasi yun naman yung format na binibigyan ng joint circular. Is that what you're telling the public, ma'am?
Argumentative
No, no.
and misleading, Your Honor.
There's basis to that question, Your Honor.
Sustain, counsel. It's misleading.
Okay, now, I will move on, Your Honor. Sinasabi mo na ikaw ay isang accountable officer, hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Now, within the four corners of the joint circular, si Colonel Lachica ba, as a security officer, isang accountable officer?
Argumentative, Your
No,
Honor,
Your
and
Honor.
ask
Witness
and
will answer.
answer.
Witness will answer. It's a valid point.
Dili siya accountable, Your Honor, pero siya ang gihatagan o gihatagan siya ni Vice President Sara Duterte as security officer, Your Honor, na siya ang mag-implement sa mga confidential activities sa grounds, Your Honor. Pero ako paghihapon ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
All right.
On this point, counsel, ma'am, may dokumento po ba kayo na nagpapakita na in-appoint ni Vice President Duterte si Colonel Lachica bilang security officer at na siya ang mag-i-implement ng confidential fund? O
Meron-
verbal lang po yun?
Meron pong black and white papel po, Your Honor.
May
Na-
office order po?
Yes, officer order. Tama po, Your Honor.
May
Sorry
kopya
po.
po ba kayo nun?
Wala akong kopya, Honor, pero sa office meron.
Okay.
Okay,
Counsel,
let me
your
proceed.
witness.
So, between you and Colonel Lachica, ma'am, ikaw yung bonded. Ikaw yung may fidelity bond. Si Colonel Lachica, wala. Di po ba?
Opo, Your
And
Honor.
then sa mga dokumentong sinubitin nyo sa COA, ikaw yung nakikitang nag-disburse ng confidential funds. Hindi po ba?
Gidisburse ko po sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica, Your Honor.
Let me guess. Kasi siya yung appointed as security officer ng opisina nyo. Hindi po ba?
Siya po ang i-appoint, Your
Si ma'am, I
Honor.
memorized your answer na. Now,
Move to strike, Your Honor. Impertinent.
that's a manifestation, Your Honor. The council can make a counter manifestation.
Leave it. Let it be on the record.
Now, Colonel Lachica is not bonded.
Ask and answer, Your Honor.
Okay. Hindi po ba, or better yet, alam niyo po ba, Miss Gina Acosta, na ikaw yung maaring makulong kapag napatunayan sa isang criminal court yung crime, for example, ng plunder. Alam niyo yung gravity ng isang kaso for plunder?
Ask and answer, Your Honor,
not
and
yet. Not
the
yet.
prosecution is badgering the
There
witness,
was no
Your Honor.
Your Honor, I am testing the credibility of this witness.
Overruled,
Correct.
counsel.
Overruled.
Overruled, counsel. If
Oh.
the witness knows, she's not a lawyer and
Oh.
her background is customs administration. If she knows, alam niyo po ba yung sagot sa tanong ng abogado, Ms. Gina?
Hindi ko alam ang
Okay, hindi mo
ibig
alam.
sabihin yun, Your Honor.
Hindi nyo alam, ma'am, na between you and Colonel Lachica, kasi Colonel Lachica ay wala namang track, walang trace sa mga dokumento. Ikaw yung po pwedeng makulong for misappropriation of confidential funds, hindi si Colonel Lachica. That question is so simple. Alam nyo po ba yan?
Speculative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, okay, can I explain? That's not speculative, Your Honor, please. That's not an if and when question. There's basis for that.
Witness will answer. If she knows.
Yes, based sa GC po, ang accountable officer po ay ang SDO. Kaya po, ako ang accountable officer, kaya I see to it na merong documents po na maibigay si Colonel La Chica after po matapos po ang pag-implement ng confidential activities, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi ako po ang magagawa ng liquidation kasi ako man po ang accountable officer, Your Honor.
Okay, a few more questions, Your Honor, please.
Proceed, Counsel.
Now, Madam, paulit-ulit sinasabi nyo, yung certification nyo, liquidation report, base yan sa dokumento, tsaka inputs, information galing mismo sa isang tao, galing sa isang tao lang, si Colonel La Chica, hindi po ba?
Yes, yes.
Now this is now the question now. Ma'am, alam niyo po ba yung nilalaman ng letter C ng 6.3 ng joint circular? Okay, do we have that? Please show that. While it is being shown, babasahin ko for the public to understand. Trabaho ng isang opisina, head of agency, no? To institute and maintain sound and effective internal control measures to discourage and prevent irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, and unconscionable expenditures, as well as promote prudence in the use of government resources. Trabaho po ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President, Head of Agency, na magkaroon ng internal control upang mapigilan yung irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant. Now, ito yung tanong now. Yung proseso nyo, binibigay mo kay Colonel La Chica yung 125 million pesos. Colonel La Chica yung nagsasabi ano yung activities. Nagsasubmit siya ng mga dokumento na inamin nyo, wala kayong personal knowledge. Hindi nyo alam kung totoo ba. Now, nagpapakita ba iyan ng rene-require na internal control sa loob ng Office of the Vice President? Yes or no?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
There's basis to the question, Your Honor.
If that's your last question, Counsel, I'll allow it. But actually, it is argumentative.
Another one, Your Honor. Another one.
Proceed to your last question, Counsel.
Now, eto now. Yung tinatanong sa'yo, sinasabi mo, bine-verify ko naman yung mga inputs, yung mga information, yung mga dokumento galing kay Colonel La Chica. Naalala niyo po ba yan?
Yes, giverify ko
Now,
kay security officer, Your Honor.
In verifying information handed to you, delivered to you, documents delivered to you by Colonel La Chica, ma'am, hindi po ba kalukuhan na yung bine-verify nyo, yung tao mismo nagbigay ng information?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Counsel, Reform Counsel, you know what I'm referring to.
That's all for this witness, Your Honor.